Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we will embark on our journey into the world of English through the super popular movie, Barbie. This film is a true spectacle of bright emotions and unexpected twists, and it is full of useful phrases for learning English. So why Barbie? First of all, it's a movie that everyone is talking about. It's bright, funny, and it has many conversational phrases that are perfect for language learning. Besides simple expressions, there are phrases that can add color to your English conversation. Now let's break down some useful expressions from the movie. Watch closely and repeat. Do you guys ever think about dying? This phrase sounds a bit strange, but in the movie it's delivered in a humorous way. It translates to, do you ever think about death? Hi, I'm Barbie. This is a simple yet useful greeting. In the movie, Barbie says this to introduce herself. For example, when meeting someone, you can use this expression to be more confident. Hi, I'm your name. I'm going to be a real girl now. One of the bright moments in the movie when Barbie decides to become a real woman. This expression can be used in the context of making significant changes in life. It translates to, now I will be a real girl, perfectly imperfect. This phrase is simply a gem. It means perfectly imperfect or imperfectly perfect. Use it when you want to say that a person or thing is good just the way they are, with all their flaws. It's a great expression to highlight self-acceptance and acceptance of others. Living the dream. In the movie, Barbie says this phrase when everything seems perfect. This expression is used to show that you are enjoying life or have achieved something desired. It translates to living the dream. If someone asks you how you are doing and you're in a good mood, you can respond, living the dream. You can't just ask people why they're white. This is a funny and somewhat provocative expression from Barbie in the movie. It raises an important question about social and cultural differences. In the context of language learning, this phrase can be useful to discuss topics of inclusivity and multiculturalism. Everything's fine in Barbie Land. This phrase is heard throughout the movie and emphasizes the perfect, carefree atmosphere in Barbie's world. It's applicable in life if you want to say that everything is fine, without any problems. It translates to, everything is fine in Barbie Land. To reinforce the material, here are some practical steps. 1. Watch the scene several times. For example, the scene with the phrase, living the dream, re-watch it and try to repeat. Pay attention to the intonation and emotions with which these phrases are spoken. This will help you not only memorize the words, but also improve your listening comprehension in English. 2. Write down the phrases in a notebook. Write phrases like perfectly imperfect or hi, I'm Barbie, and use them in everyday conversations. Try to incorporate them into context so you don't forget. 3. Use the phrases in real life. For example, try responding living the dream to the question, how are you today? Or say, I'm perfectly imperfect in the context of a conversation about how you feel. This not only helps you remember the phrases, but also boosts your confidence in the language. So here are some cool phrases from Barbie that will help you improve your English. As you can see, movies are not just entertainment, but also a great way to learn a language. So choose a movie including Barbie and start practicing right now. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe so you don't miss new helpful videos. We will continue learning English through movies. Remember, you can learn a language not only in class, but also while enjoying a good film. See you in the next video.